What's up, fam? So we got something different today. So a lot of you guys probably painting cars in your garage. Most of you don't have 80 gallon, 50 gallon, 60 gallon compressors. So I was going to use a Milwaukee, the 2 gallon electric Milwaukee to try this. But from what I see, those compressors don't last that long, and I don't feel like getting a bunch of my batteries out anyway. So I've had a compressor sitting around that I use for nail guns for like 15 years. And it's a 5 gallon Campbell Hospital compressor. I've had this thing for 15 years. Used it for roofs and various little projects, whatever. But it's a 5 gallon compressor. So it might be 8. Well, let me check. All right, it's an 8 gallon compressor. So we have a bumper here that we need to paint. So I figured, let's see if we can paint this bumper easily with this compressor. Because if you can paint this bumper easily with that compressor, you could paint a door. So if you had a hot rod that you was painting, single stage, you was doing something else, and you didn't have the room to do the whole car, but you was doing panels, that compressor there would do the job. So that's what I want to find out today. And the gun that we are going to be using is probably going to be the almighty Porpoise. We're going to try that out. So I was going to use the Drizzle because it's a LVLP gun, but I mean, I wanted to see. So if this gun will do it, any of the other guns will do it. Now, Porpoise says this is like a medium volume, type of deal. It's not an LVLP, it's not an HVLP, it's kind of in the middle. And I do like this gun, so we're going to find out if this compressor can do this or not. So we'll get some paint mixed up, we'll start spraying on this, and we're going to see what happens. All right, so we got our paint gun here, we got our base coat in it, we got this wax and grease removed, ready to go. So let's see what happens. We're going to spray it, see how long it takes for that thing to turn on. Alright, so that thing didn't take very long to kick on. So we're going to put another coat on, it's dry, we're going to see. It's at 150 psi. So let's see what it goes down to. Might not have been all the way full, I don't know. I didn't check. Maybe it was. We finally got all our coats on. We got clear coat in the cup. This is ready. It's been let it sit and dry out. I did find out that I have a little air leak right at the fitting on that, so that's probably why it kicks on every once in a while, but so far it's not doing too bad. So let's get this sprayed. I'm gonna have to put my mask on because I recommend you do not breathe clear coat. It is very, very bad for you. All right, let's get this going. There you go, guys. I mean, so yeah, you can paint a car if you wanted to, a panel or two at a time, with an 8 gallon air compressor. I'm kind of impressed with myself. And that's using the Porpoise. Now, if you was to use, you know, something like the Drizzle or A couple other guns out there that are a little bit lower pressure. You'd probably get a little farther with that. I mean, this compressor is 15 plus years old. I mean, it's not a new one. It's not been used a whole lot, but it's not new. She's got some miles on her. But I'm impressed with it. So if you've got something like this, a 10, a 20, I mean, anything like that, don't think you can't paint something. You can paint anything you want. It just takes time. You just got to do it. But I'm impressed with it. It turned out pretty good. All right, guys. Well, I just wanted to throw that out there for you. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Peace.